What it do, man? And we back again with another video. You know what I'm saying? I told you. Listen. I told you I was gonna come back with another video tonight. I don't know if y'all thought it was jokes. I don't know if you thought it was a game. But I told you. So, yeah, I double uploaded. It's here. And in this video, we cooking again. Alright? You hear me? Now, in this video, you're going to see a lot of declines. But you're going to see a ton of cards. Now, I'm working with Kylin Bot, one of my favorite bots. Really, like I say, it's my only reliable bot. You know what I'm saying? And I love this bot. You know, I love this bot to the T. It's pretty unique in its own way, if you know what I mean. It's not an easy bot to run, which a lot of people who own the bot would understand. But when you learn to run it, it works pretty well. I know a lot of you guys might be like, hey, these are bricks. Why did you buy these? Look, I have customers. I have bulk buyers that I have to, you know, keep happy at all times. So they can continue to come back, you know, and shop with the kid. So in this video, these are not mine. This was for a bulk buyer. He needed a few sizes. So I ran a size spread. I started off with a size range, then I narrowed it down to 13s and 14s. At the end of this video, you'll see how many I carded. If you stay and watch the end of this video, if you don't, hey, I appreciate you stopping by. If you make it this far, you hear me? Hey, it's all love on my end. I ran Hey Hi did not do so well on Foots. I'm not sure what the issue is. They're still working, trying to develop their Footsite module. And I'm going to keep running it because one day it might just cook. You know, you never know. Especially when it's an important release or it's a, you know, hype release, it might just do the job. But in here, like I said, you're gonna see a ton of cards, you're gonna see a ton of declines. But when it's all said and done, the bot cooks. You know what I'm saying? The proxies cook. You know what I'm saying? Blackhat Proxies, Lemon Proxies, Kaboom Proxies. I even use Hex Proxies on this one. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in tune with all the good proxy companies. Don't worry. You know, if you need proxies, I'm your guy to talk to. I'm in tune. You hear me? I'm in tune. But like I said, like I love doing this. You know what I'm saying? It feel good to be back. Feel good to double upload. You know what I'm saying? We back cooking. You hear me? So we moving on to the next. I think I'm done for the night. Probably gonna sit back, chill, watch a few highlights of the football game. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all stopping by. Peace, love, and happiness, man. Hey, y'all stay safe out there, man. And yeah, let's cook it up. Yo, boy is out.
She held it down for a nigga who would've left her for an Instagram bitch in a second. He hung around some niggas who energy wasn't good and they had him missing his blessing. How you gon' clown a nigga who doing what he love? I never understand it. If you had doubted the nigga and calling your fellow, then open your mouth and just tell it. Thought I had some real niggas behind me. Wish I had known they would hide the machetes. That shit was deeper than knives in my back. When they cut me, I felt that in my belly. When they were down, I they gave them whatever. When I was down, I felt like they was selfish. We know the word cold, but you let me naked. I ain't gon' hold you, but I can't respect it. Yeah, I'm running bridges. Yeah, we running bridges. We running bridges.